No.
What?
Yes or no?
I mean, it's doable.
We're just like, okay, take a look at the map, and the purple trails are the ones that you can drive on. So we're like, just pick a random one. Didn't really check it out beforehand. And we're finding ourselves on the biggest hill climb of life. Like, there are already moments where I thought the FJ was gonna tip over on its side, completely flip, or it was gonna flip backwards.
Dude, that is so steep.
It's a scale. Hold on.
My rear locker was not on.
I was wondering.
Man, love how squirrely this
so
is.
Slippery.
It's so slippery. Hey. What? Go up?
Yeah.
Yes!
Low range number 1.
Yes! We're doing it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Lock everything.
Check clearance.
It's soft. Impossible. We try this one more time. I'm not giving it very much juice.
I was gonna push.
Go again. Did we just push the vehicle up?
Everything.
My rear locker was not on.
I was wondering.
Dude!
Shit's wild. Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Where are we going?
Good climb.
That was 90 degrees.
I'm not sure it was 90. That was a good climb.
That was.
Oof, that's on the map. That's it.
So we continue up the trail. There was really no other way but straight forward. As soon as we got into this line, we were in for the ride.
That's an angle.
Guess we're just gonna go for it.
Yeah. Maybe stay down in it.
Yeah, stay down there. It's like the only way. Oh shit.
Here, I'll be heavier. Dude.
Be heavier on the other side.
Okay.
This is nuts.
So of course, the camera just doesn't do it justice. But we were on some obscene lean angle to the driver's side. It feels so unnatural, and you just can't help but worry that you're actually gonna tip over.
Left there. Keep going. Yeah, that's where the tires are. Good stuff. Nice work, man.
Oh my god.
Good drive.
Just see how I'm sitting. I'm just like this.
See how I'm sitting.
Holy. Oh my god. That was genuine fear.
Yeah.
Dude.
That was intense.
We're gonna flip.
It's either get fully up on the right or straddle and come out of it later. Yeah, smart.
When I can't see you. Okay. Whoa! I didn't see that.
I did not see that either. I would stay down.
Straddle.
Yeah, exactly. Good eye.
Oh my god, come out here. Come out of this without handle damage. I'm gonna be very happy.
We'll do it.
Yes?
Yeah, we will do it. Right side's gonna bump a rock. Like this.
Well, it's not that bad.
No. At least it's rocky too.
Yeah. This ain't that bad. Hey bud.
Hey.
Hey bud.
What's your plan here? Straddle?
Drive on top of it.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
Shit.
Good line.
Oh.
Good line.
Straddle this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And then straddle that one as well.
On the right side, yeah. Amazing.
Oh, we good. Oh my god, there's more. Dude, the descent's gonna be nuts.
Oh yeah.
Yes. First
And
gear low.
good line choices and commitment.
Lock.
Lock everything.
Okay, let's do it. What the hell is up there?
Rocks.
Dude, should we have walked this before we drove?
Probably.
No, we got it.
Right side, I think. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I'll be out.
Alright guys, so see that? Series of nice rock steps. We're halfway up this trail and there's no way this machine is going to be able to make it up that. So we have to reverse down. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, your rear axle's right over the rock right now, so just easy. Okay, I can't see the front, so just go very easy on the same line.
Oh, this is much nicer. Dude, after going through that, this is just like a walk in the park.
It is. We're literally walking in the park. Just approach. Yeah, easy first.
Whoa! Whoa! I nearly got pine face.
Okay, so
we're
that's
here.
the deep one. So probably sneak through there unless we want to go in that way.
Really, how is it deep?
I don't know. We can try it. Are you locked up? Okay.
How deep is deep?
I don't know.
Do we trust him?
Do you want me to poke a stick in it?
No. We good. Yep, that's deep.
Yeah, that's deep.
Confirmed.
Are you gonna go in there? Through it? Or through the trees?
Probably through the trees, because that's weird navigation.
But the side passage was too tight, and I'd probably find myself stuck between two trees again. So we went outside to test the depth of the hole with a stick, you know, just to make sure that there weren't any surprises waiting for us. And there you go, that was way too easy.
There it is. Don't touch it. Hogweed, that's what it's called. Hog. Giant hogweed.
Those ones with the flat disc?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
peeking!
driving across the peaked right now. Nice on the hood action. Chocolate milk crate.
What is this?
I don't know, it's the top though. Go left, left. Yeah, we're at the top.
Alright, sick. So that wasn't so bad. We took the bypass and we made it up to the tallest point here at McLean Creek. And it looks we could hear the thunder. We're basically inside a thunderstorm right now. The clouds behind us. Oh yeah, you hear that? Probably not the safest thing to be standing at the tip of a mountain when a thunderstorm is brewing. But yeah, so I figured I'd shoot this quickly before I get hit by lightning, and we'll just continue on the trail and see what else we find. What you got there?
Nothing.
You got snacks?
Cooking ramen.
Are you actually cooking ramen right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a bag cook technique. So you just have to loosen up the ramen a little bit, like that.
okay,
Bite-sized chunks.
okay,
You take the sauce, right?
okay.
Yeah. Put the sauce in there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then?
And then you don't throw garbage on the trail.
Okay.
And then it's cooked.
Oh,
Yeah, see, it's almost cooked. The heat from shaking will, there you go, she cooked. Cooked up some ramen. See, it's ready.
there you go, folks. That's how you cook ramen in a pinch. All right, this is actually really starting to get dark. We should get out of here. Yeah, we're gonna get electricity and water. Okay, let's go. Are you serious?
Oh my god, I gotta get out.
Oh, I gotta get out too. I'm turning it off.
Oh no.
So folks, this is why you go out and take a look at the trail ahead before you do it, because look at what we just come up on.
Scale.
Look at that drop. Yeah, I would have just driven right off that. Oh yeah.
There's a much more reasonable track.
Man, that one was all no way.
You actually have enough room to stay fully outside of it.
Am I good to keep going?
Stay on that line.
This is gonna be so sketch.
Yeah, I'll stack the rock.
Give me a sec, I'm looking at the bar tracks that have already done it. I'm gonna do a rock that's slightly different position than I thought because one tire here looks perfect, so then I'm gonna rock that.
Alright.
I got good rocks.
Alright. I can't see a thing, so you're gonna have to tell me what to do.
There's one small one to the front tire, you're dropping about half a meter. Okay, start cutting.
Full cut?
That's perfect, I'm ready right now.
Okay, I'm rolling in.
Easy, right to step in now. Just go very gentle. That. And let me look at the back. Okay, real easy.
Looks good?
Keep that front rock to stop perfect. And keep your front wheels turned, because I want to go around that rock. And roll forward slow.
Good driving, man.
Soaked. Thank you for the spot. I was blind.
I built you a road.
I was essentially blind the
Yeah,
entire
dude.
time.
I could tell, but I built you a road.
Yeah.
It was a sick road.
Oh,
I'll spot you there.
man. We're driving down a stream.
Yeah, we were driving down a waterfall.
Couldn't have chosen a better time to go off-roading.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna go on the right line here.
Smart.
This is road.
I think that's to go back down, hopefully.
Are you serious? Okay.
I'm gonna get in and look.
No.
What?
Yes or no?
I mean,
it's doable. It's just steep when it's not rough or rocky.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a look.
Okay.
So after a good look, we decided that with all this rain, it was better to just leave it for another day. The brakes were dirty and wet, and we had no idea what lay ahead. Wouldn't want to have to back our way up this if we couldn't get through, especially in this thunderstorm.
Keep going.
Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! This one's long.
And then here, there's a drop in the center. So easy.
Just goes. Just does whatever it wants. Oh my god. So we just made it out back to the main road, and that was insane. Like, I've never done a four-wheel drive I've never done a four-wheel drive trip into a thunderstorm and then have to navigate through these dirt trails while it was just pouring down like crazy. I don't know. There was a point where I didn't think we were gonna make it. There was a point where I thought we were just probably gonna have to stay put and maybe just wait out the thunderstorm, because the tracks. Luckily, the tracks weren't very slick here. The mud's not very slick, so even though there was a lot of water, it just kind of washed away, and then we still had a lot of grit to work with. But you'll know it's a successful trip when your car is absolutely destroyed with mud. Anyways, that's it for today. We're gonna be exploring way more of these trails, so hang tight. Catch you guys next time.
Also, a big thanks to all my supporters on my coffee donation page. You guys are amazing. If you want to support me as well, there are links in the description and in my YouTube banner. All the support goes into helping me keep this channel alive. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. Till next time.